Hello guys, so welcome to another episode. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change a Samsung S10 Plus LCD. But luckily today we're not going to be hitting anything because we got this LCD with the frame. So what we just have to do is we are going to remove every part that is there on this other frame, put it here because this is the frame and this is the screen. So I'm going to show you how you do it. This one is very easy. We don't need to use a water station. So watch and see how it goes. So first things first, I'm going to lift up my back cover because this cover was already loose, so it's not even hard to open because it does not have glue on it. Then the second stage, as you all know guys, it's time to remove the screws. You start by the screws. Now that I've finished removing the screws, it's time to lift this one, this back cover, this top cover, which covers the motherboard, and also it has got this wireless. So we want to lift it gently so that we don't break anything, because you see this wireless is very fragile. Any silly mistake, you can easily break it, and if you break it, you're going to buy this whole back cover here, because you cannot find the wireless on its own. It's one and the same thing with this cover. So we make sure we lift gently. Then once we take it off, it's time to remove everything. So we start by the battery, the camera, the front camera, the LCD, the earphone antenna, and then as you can see there are some screws inside. So we start by these ones. Those are the screws that are inside, that are holding the motherboard together with the frame. And this one again, I just have the charging port there.